To my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to get free books on Kindle. So guys, if you want to get free books on the Kindle, so first of all, step 1 is unearthing free ebooks on Amazon. Visit the Amazon website and search for the free Kindle books. Look for the top 100 books category on the Kindle storage and filter by genre or the popularity. Check for the public domain classic for offered for free and sign up for Kindle unlimited free trials for the temporary access to the many books. Keep an eye out for the publisher promotion and daily freebies and add chosen free titles to your Kindle library or the device. Finding free reads beyond the Amazon. So guys, many websites provide free legal ebooks, especially public domain work. So browse project Gutenberg from over 600 public domain books. Visit sites like Manybooks, Open Library, or Standard eBooks and look for the free content from the author or the smag words or similar platform. And check your local library digital collection via Overdrive or Libby, and download ebook in the Kindle compatibility formats like MOBI and convert your EPUB files to MOPI files if needed using tools like Calibri. Okay. Another thing is guys, getting your ebook onto your Kindle. Once downloaded, you need to transfer these free books to your Kindle device or the app. Connect your Kindle device to your computer via USB, then open your computer file explore and find the Kindle drive. Drag and drop the MOBI files into the Kindle document folder. Alternatively, use Amazon send to Kindle email services. Find your unique send to Kindle email address in your Amazon account settings. Attach the ebook files to an email and send it to your Kindle address. Ensure your Kindle is connected to the Wi-Fi to receive the file. For Kindle app, simply open the downloaded files on your device. Okay, after that, for pro tips, subscribe to the free book newsletter for the daily deals. Utilize the advanced search filter on ebook website. Read review before downloading and ensure the quality. Check the license and explore the independent author platform for a new talent. Don't forget your local library for digital offering. So guys, thank you.